Alright, today we're featuring a certified 2015 Honda Accord EXL. Alright, it's got 34,000 miles on it. It's Basque Red Pearl in color. It's a Carfax one owner. Alright, we'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle with you. We'll start here on the driver's side. Alright, it does have the turn signals in the side mirrors. The nice chrome trim around the windows. Chrome handles with your lock unlock button here. It is equipped with sunroof. Okay, driver's side of the Accord's in good shape. And it is equipped with the rear backup camera. Alright, it is a V6 as well. Make our way down the passenger side. It also has your lock unlock button here. Turn signals in the side mirrors, and it does have your blind spot monitoring camera, and we'll show you that in just a second. But once again, it's a certified 2015, 34,000 miles on it. Alright, it's a Carfax one owner. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Alright, got the black and ivory door panels. Power locks, power windows, power mirrors. Okay, it does have memory seats. Got your lane departure warning button here, your econ button, and then your blind spot monitoring camera button there. Alright, it does have ivory leather, power driver seat, the nice perforated inserts. Okay, it's got your sunroof there. It's come with two keyless entry key fobs. Go ahead and give you a shot of that. Alright, passenger seat leather looks good. No problems at all there. It is an automatic. It's got your heated seats. Got a power outlet, USB and auxiliary hookup down here. It's got your dual climate controls and push button start. It's going to have your backup camera, radio, display, and all that right here in these two screens. And we'll show you that in just a second. Leather wrapped steering wheel audio controls, and Bluetooth. Let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. Alright, it's got 34,076 miles on it. Alright, now that we got it started, let's go ahead and show you the radio display. Alright, and then you pan out a little bit. It's got your radio presets right here. Go ahead and knock the glare off of that right quick. Alright, let's go ahead and activate the backup camera. Alright, and it'll be on this upper screen up here. Okay, it's got your guidelines and everything there. And then go ahead and do the blind spot monitoring camera. Alright, and that's a safety feature that Honda offers. Okay, it's going to have a visual display of your blind spot. You can simply hit that button left of the steering wheel to activate it, or you can activate it by using the turn signals. Okay, dual climate controls. AC's blowing nice and cold, no problems there. Once again, your push button start, and then your heated seats here. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look in the back. Alright, back seat door panels look good. Carpet back here is nice and clean. Back seat leather looks good. No problems back here at all. Got your center armrest that comes down. Got the cup holders there. Alright, I'm going to give you a driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. Alright, let's take a look in the trunk. Alright, carpet back here is nice and clean. Got your jack and spare tire in here. Alright, plenty of room. Take a look at the wheels and tires. 17-inch alloys. Alright. Brand new set of tires. Plenty of tread left on them. Alright, once again, it's a certified 2015. It's got 34,000 miles on it. It's a Carfax one owner. This thing's in great shape inside and out. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.